You can see this big old spot of clay right here. We're going to move the cow trough over here. And with that fence right there, the cow trough is going to be on both sides, and we're going to continue that fence so we can water on both sides and have the fence come up over the trough. And we was going to pour concrete, but we run into some clay on some other work we're doing back in the back of the property, and well, don't need no concrete with that clay. But this is where the cow trough's going to be sooner than later, right here. And this way it's going to be, we're going to extend out here, and that's the trap pen when we load the cows over there and haul them to market or sell them to an individual or whatever the case may be. So this way, with the cow trough here, the water trough, they'll be used to coming into the trap pen when we extend it, so it won't be that hard to coax them in there, which is not hard now if you get a bag of feed, but they'll just be used to it. Future home of the water trough. Here we're trenching our water line finally from where we stopped one a long time ago right here for a water trough that we're going to end up putting on the other side of the backhoe there. You can see we got pigs invading the cow shed, and we got calves and another pen weaning them off. But here we are. There's the old existing pipe, and the shut off is under here. And the water is live to that point right there. Let's see a little blue ball valve underneath there. But we're gonna dig it out all the way out here, and then once we come from this direction, and then we're gonna go to here, and the water trough will be sitting on this clay pad we built right here, and it'll be right here, and then there'll be, like, this fence is going to continue over the top of the water trough this way, and there'll be a gate here to a pin coming in here, and then this post right here that you can see kind of tees right there, it's going to go over the top of the water trough also. So now you can water on this side and on this side of the post, and also on the other side here. The water trough will be sticking out there for everything out in the pasture. So we'll be able to water 3 ways with one trough. And we're going to dig a water line and bring it up right here by this post, and anchor it to that and have a float going into the trough. There we go. We'll have it all done here shortly. Now we got our trench ran for our water line. Stops right here, tees off right there to where the trough's going to be, and again there's going to be a fence coming right here, so we're going to run this past it, and that way in case later on we want to get water farther, and then we'll have a shut off here and a shut off, over here. That way we don't have to, whatever needs water can keep water, and we don't have to shut off no more than what we have to. But yeah, so anyways, we're going to get to laying some pipe now. You can see here now, we got the water hose in there, filling it up while we finish working on the pipe right here and getting the float and everything mounted on it and whatnot. We got a 2x4 level on there. And we checked it both ways. It's good enough that I don't think the cows care much, or goats or whatever, but getting it filled up while we're finishing everything off and brought the lumber over here and work a little bit more. A little note I wanted to make with the 2-foot bucket on the M62, and you're only putting a 3/4 pipe in there. Seems like way too much, but having the ability to get down there and walk down there and work down there, and you're not walking sideways or stepping one foot on top of the other foot, a 2-foot bucket is nice. And you might be able to get away with the 18 or something, but at 2 foot and be able to get in there, I mean, you got a machine to dig it, you got a machine to cover it, you know, ain't that big a deal. You know, some people knock it, but being able to get down in there, like right in these intersections, you know, it's nice. A big old wide spot, and just get in there and you can kneel down, and you're not out here laying on your belly trying to reach down in there or whatever. And yeah, that's nice. Here you can see we got the fence. It's just hanging there by a couple of fencing staples. It's just loose, just hanging there just to give you an idea of what's happening here. Seeing we can water, you know, again, 3 different pens. Of course, we'll have something up there dividing also. So there you go. Also right here, in case something happens to that float's not working right. Right here we got that's a 1/4 turn shut off right there. That way you don't have to, if it's hard piped or something, then you're stuck. You got to go find a shut off somewhere, shut it off.